How to clear Deepseek chat history. You can clear your Deepseek chat history by deleting individual chat or all chat at once, both on the website as well as in your mobile app. So, first of all, before we begin, make sure to update the app. So, head over to your respective app store and on the search bar, type in Deepseek. Make sure to update the app to the latest version. After which, you want to open a Deepseek app, and this is how it's going to take or look. Now, what you need is you just need to go and locate the chat list. Now, I'm a completely new person to this chat list, so as you can see that there is no such chat. So I'm just gonna quickly type in all this stuff, and let's see, this is just an individual chat, right? So what I'm gonna do is you wanna simply long press, and so basically what you wanna do is click on the three dot icon, and then you wanna click on the edit button, or you just wanna go ahead and long press, or just press onto it and then click on the delete button. So click on the delete button. So basically you'll not be able to delete the chat individually. So as you could see, there's no such option as delete, but you could try this out as this might be available in your device. If not, then it means this is not actually available. So if you want to delete all the chat, you want to tap on the menu bar, go to the profile initials from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen, and then you want to go ahead and select delete all chat options. Now as you could see, I cannot find these options, so I'm just going to go ahead and look for it in the data control section. So here it is. So click on delete all chat, click on confirm deletion. So this way you'll be able to delete all chat at once, but there's no way you could do it one after the another. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.